I have a list of books I need to use for an assignment. How do I find them?
From the library homepage, type the title into the library catalog search box. If you see the ebook symbol, you can click on the View Now link and access the book online. You can also search using the author's last name. If you do not see the ebook symbol, click on the title to see if the book is available for borrowing and where it is located. If the book is available, you will see Available and a green check. If not, you will see Checked Out and the date when the book is due to be returned. Take note of the library name and the call number. Library maps will help you find the book on the shelf. In the larger library branches, there is a list by the elevator indicating the call numbers on each floor. Check the branch library's listing to find the opening hours and location. Find the aisle where your book is located. Follow the call numbers along the shelf to locate your book. If you need help, ask a library staff member. Visit our website and follow us for the latest news, announcements, and events. Thank you for watching.